Best Coffee Scale Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular coffee measuring machines in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this coffee scale so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this device. The one that made our list is the Cozy Blue Digital Coffee Scale. This multi-purpose scale is engineered to easily achieve spot-on coffee measurements every single time. You can take measurements of weight, you can take measurements of water volume, and there's even a timer included. The mat on top is made of rubber and is non-slip, so this protects the scale from heat and liquid spillage. You can even remove this mat so that it's easy to clean. It measures anywhere between 1 gram and 3,000 grams, and there are 5 different measurement units you can choose from. To check out the full specs of the Cozy Blue Digital Coffee Scale and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/coffeescale. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this scale. So there you have it, the Cozy Blue Digital Coffee Scale. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the machine, and its overall functionality, we feel that this scale is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Cozy Blue Digital Coffee Scale and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/coffeescale. Alright, thank you for watching.